Hi, Dr. Bot here, and I was asked to try 𝗧𝗵𝗃, a new virtual agent AI service that lets you talk to bots like they are human and help you fix your insurance, your hotel, and many other stuff. So let's try it out. And at the end of the video, I also want to tell you about what I personally think about the whole notion of using AI to be a product that will replace humans to talk to other humans. Check it out at the end, but now let's see what 𝗧𝗵𝗃 can do. Oh, good visual.
Good day. Thank you for calling the 𝗧𝗵𝗃 Palace. This is Victoria speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, Victoria. I will need a room that will be for 2 people and a child, preferably close to the pool and close to child-friendly attractions if you have some.
Thank you for sharing your preferences. For 2 adults and a child, our deluxe room would be perfect. It accommodates up to 2 adults and 1 child, comes with a king-size bed, a city view, and complimentary breakfast. While we cannot guarantee a specific room location, I can make a note to request a room closer to the pool for your convenience. As for child-friendly attractions, Central Park is nearby and offers plenty of activities for children, including playgrounds and the Central Park Zoo. Would you like me to proceed with checking availability for your preferred dates?
Yes, please. It will be the next weekend.
Thank you for letting me know. Next weekend would be from the 21st to the 23rd of June. Let me check the availability for you. We have plenty of deluxe rooms available for those dates. The rate is $350 per night, and it includes a king-size bed, city view, and complimentary breakfast. Would you like me to proceed with the booking? If so, may I have your name, contact number, and email address to continue?
You may, but let's finish it here because I don't want to put it up on the internet as it's being recorded. Thank you for your help. You've been wonderful, and have a great day.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. If you decide to book or need any further help, feel free to call us directly. Have a wonderful day ahead, and thank you for considering the 𝗧𝗵𝗃 Palace.
Thank you. So this was an absolute 8, 9 out of 10 experience, and the only thing that probably you noticed is that those AIs, when you talk to them, they are being built to be too friendly. Or is it just me? It's like unhuman-like friendly, but it's a quirk, right? It's something you can polish with feedback of users, or maybe there is a slider to make it a little less polite, not impolite, of course, just a little bit more relaxed, I guess, maybe a bit playful. And let's figure out whether those products are sensible. And there are 2 things to consider. The functionality. Are they able to do everything a human can do? At least in this demo, they could. And do I want to talk to the bot, or do I feel insecure? And that's a private matter. And I believe that whenever this is transparent, that you're talking to an AI bot, and the conversation goes naturally, you can do everything you would have done with a normal human, with an option to go to a normal human. It's a great product, and it's not something that would really take people's jobs. Come on, how often, how much life did you lose waiting in lines to talk to your bank, to your hotel, to whatever, listening to drastically bad elevator music? Those are days of your lives lost, which this product can fix. And this is because there are not enough people hired. There isn't available places to get enough people to be able to always pick up your phone instantly. That improves the throughput. Think of it as the automatic cashier. We had a vision where the cashiers working the groceries will be eliminated from the shops and everything will be automated. But that didn't simply work out, didn't it? Some people prefer to talk to humans, some people prefer to take the auto route, and I myself have to always look at my basket and decide whether I prefer the human to do it, because, come on, I don't want to wait those vegetables or figure out which type of tomato do I have in my basket. And sometimes I just have a few things that will be much quicker to scan on your own. But that came with its own problems. In Germany, the steal rates increased dramatically, and some shops removed the auto checkout completely. It's all about increasing efficiency. There are fewer lines in shops because of that, and people are still working there. If you remove the hype around the technology and you just look at the functionality, there is a balance here where some of the cases will be AI driven, some will still require a human to jump in, but in the end of the day, the whole service will be quicker, more efficient, and, well, better. So thank you for holding out to the end of the video. Thank you, 𝗏𝗧𝗵𝗲 for partnering with me, allowing me to share those thoughts with you and trying out the service. I hope that there's room for them in your product. I believe there is. If you only have any on-call client support or client management services. And outside of that, please go to www.𝗧𝗵𝗲.com to check out my free newsletter, my courses, and other ways I can help you with your product management needs. So again, thank you, have a great day, and see you in the next video.